Hello friends and welcome to Paradise. Eric here with another fantastic listing at 432 Bouchelle Drive in New Smyrna Beach. This ground floor unit features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, just under 1,700 square feet. And when I'm talking about an open floor plan, as soon as you open the door, you can see through the unit to the beautiful canal in the back. Located in the Bouchelle Island community, you have 2 heated pools, you have 2 lighted tennis courts, you also have a library, 3,000 feet of boardwalk, a floating boat slip, and additional boat slips, and trailer parking subject to availability. Within a 15-minute drive, you have over 50 4-star rated restaurants. And if you need to go grocery shopping, the closest one is within 4 minutes. Within 15 minutes, you have several others to choose from. Now, if you're like me, you like to go shopping, we've got you covered there as well. You're absolutely going to love the community. You're going to love the area. New Smyrna Beach has so much to offer. But come on in. Let's take a look at this unit together. Follow me. Well friends, thank you so much for checking out this listing. I'm so glad that you did. Let me know what your favorite feature is. It is all those amenities. Are we talking the putt-putt? Or is it this absolutely gorgeous view that you can enjoy every morning that you wake up? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, give me a thumbs up and please share with your friends that are looking. Talk to you soon.